Hi guys, in this video, let me show you my PowerPoint presentation template which you could use in the motivational activity of your class. This PPT template is very simple, but this could enhance your students' engagement towards your class. So I entitled this PPT template or motivational activity as Defeat an Avenger. So all you have to do is to let your students choose an Avenger to be defeated, and each of these Avengers has a challenge that need to be accomplished so that the students could get either a reward, or if they fail to accomplish the challenge, they would get a punishment. So for example, if the students will pick or choose Iron Man as the Avenger to be defeated, so we'll be clicking Iron Man. Hold on. Okay, let's click Iron Man. Okay, so Iron Man's challenge, 6a minus a is equal to what? So you will be giving your students 10 to 15 seconds to answer Iron Man's challenge, and after that, if the students will be able to answer this question, then the students will be given a particular point. So 6a minus a is equal to 5a. So if your students got it correct, or if your students will get the correct answer, so they will be given a reward. So say for example, so let's click reward. So add 2 points. So you are going to add 2 points to their points. So it depends on you. It depends on you on the total points that you will be giving to your students as their base points. So for example, before this motivational activity will begin, so you are going to assign 50 points for every or in every group. So for example, you are going to divide your class into 3 groups. So every group will receive every group will have 50 points before this motivational activity starts. So as they were able to answer or accomplish each Avengers challenge, so they will be given reward if they will get the correct answer, and a punishment if they will not be able to answer the Avengers challenge. So for example, if they will not be able to answer this question, the question which is 6a minus a is equal to 5a, so they will be given a punishment. That is, you are going to subtract 2 points from their base points, from the base points. Okay, so let's go back. What if they're gonna choose, say for example, Hawk? Okay, so Hawk's challenge is to factor 4x plus 6. So 4x plus 6, its factors are 2 times 2x plus 3y. So again, your students will be able to get the correct answer, so they will be given a reward. So just click the reward. So reward is to multiply their points by 2. So for example, if their points is 40 points, so you're going to multiply their points by 2, so that will become 80. However, if your students will not be able to answer the recent question, so they're gonna have their punishment, which is to divide their points by 2. So from 40 divided by 2, that will become to 20. So what if they're gonna choose Captain Marvel? So what is the derivative of 5x squared plus 6x? And the answer is 10x plus 6. So you're gonna just multiply the exponent by this numerical coefficient. So 2 times 5, that is 10, and then 6. The derivative of 6x is 6. So this lesson is for calculus class. So if your students will be able to get the answer or have the correct answer for this question, so they're gonna have the reward. So the reward is to add 5 points, and then if they fail to answer the question, so they're gonna have a punishment, which is to subtract their points by 5 points. So that is just it. That is just how engaging this PowerPoint presentation template, and you could actually use this in your class to enhance your students' engagement, and at the same time to motivate your students to learn the lesson that you're gonna tackle. So say for instance, your students will gonna pick SpiderMan. So you just have to click SpiderMan, and this will direct you to this PPT, and then you're gonna enter here your challenge depending on your subject. So if you are handling an English class, so it's up to you what challenge you're going to put here that is also related to the lesson that you will be tackling. So back, Thor, okay. This is Black Panther. Yes. This is Vision. This is Black Widow. This is Hawkeye. This is Doctor Strange. And who else? This is Thor, Captain Marvel. This is Scarlet Witch or Wanda Maximoff. This is Hawkeye, Hawk, Vision, Black Widow, Black Panther, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America. This is Captain America. And yes, that's just it. That is just how you're gonna that is just how you could use this as a tool for your motivational activity in your class. So for the next video, I will be uploading on how I was able to make this PowerPoint presentation template, and I will be uploading video so that you could also make your own PowerPoint presentation template depending on the interests of your students. So for example, if they're interested in 𝗖𝗲𝗏𝗀𝗃, or if they're interested in basketball games or in ML, so you could actually use Mobile Legend icons or 𝗖𝗲𝗏𝗀𝗃 characters instead of Avengers, and that will also somehow increase your students' engagement towards this motivational activity. So that's just it. That is just how you could use this PowerPoint presentation template as a tool for your motivational activity. Keep posted because I will be uploading a tutorial on how to make this kind of PowerPoint presentation template. So that's all for now. Thank you, more power, and I hope that this video helps. Thank you.